Welcome back to the channel. And yes, if you clicked expecting the 10 most mind-blowing inventions of 2025 you didn't know existed, you're absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving into a future so wild, it barely feels real. Creations that seem impossible until now. And before we start, I'd politely ask you to drop a like and subscribe. It truly helps us keep bringing you amazing videos like this. All right, let's begin. On number 1, we have self-charging smartphones. Picture this, a phone charging just from room light. No cables, no panic, no searching for outlets at 2 a.m. Nano-solar layers inside the screen drink in light non-stop, meaning your phone practically powers itself. Imagine never worrying about chargers again. That's the dream. Moving on, at number 2, we have the AI Personal Health Scanner. Hold this tiny device, and within seconds, it reads hydration, stress, pulse, and nutrient gaps. It's basically a pocket-sized doctor giving you instant clarity. Now, on number 3, hologram keyboards. Tap the air, and letters appear. A floating keyboard that tracks your fingers with incredible accuracy. Perfect for travelers, creators, or anyone tired of carrying bulky gear. Coming in at number 4, floating smart homes. These futuristic homes rise and lower automatically with changing water levels. Solar-powered, rain harvesting, and fully off-grid. Homes designed not just to survive the future, but to live beautifully in it. At number 5, we have invisible headphones. They use precision sound beams to send audio only to your ears. Yep, you hear everything, and no one else hears anything. Feels like magic. Next up, number 6, the AI writing companion. Clip it onto a notebook and it predicts words, suggests phrases, and boosts ideas. Students and creators suddenly feel like they're writing with a partner. On number 7, smart contact lenses. Navigation arrows, notifications, health data, all displayed inside your vision. No phone, no glasses, just your eyes. That's sci-fi turning real. At number 8, robotic microcleaners. These ant-sized bots roam silently around your home, detecting crumbs and dust automatically. Imagine your house cleaning itself while you nap. On number 9, instant translation glasses. Speak with anyone, anywhere. Subtitles appear inside your lens in real time. Over 50 languages. Gone are the awkward pauses and guessing. That's real global connection. And finally, on number 10, emotion-detecting AI pets. These adorable companions read your expressions and respond. Jokes, music, reminders, even little hugs, designed to ease stress and make your day feel lighter. So tell me, which invention blew your mind the most? I'd love to read your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this futuristic journey, please hit the like button and subscribe. It truly supports the channel and lets us create more amazing videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.